Kiss, don't let them stop you. This world tells us things not true. It can be cold and uncool. Cause parents aren't giving a
Hello my loves, how are you? Today I'll show you how to spice up your everyday messy bun with a raw braided detail. So begin by making a parting on the side we like, and then we want to select our heavy side like I'm showing. And with the rest we want to make a middle ponytail. You can make here any type of bun that you prefer, but I'll pull my hair only halfway through, and then grabbing the ends I'll tuck it into the elastic, and we want to loosen our bun until making a donut shape and pin it in place like I'm showing. I'm making kind of messy updo, but like I said, you can make any type of bun that you like.
He can't feel whole, cause he's so confused with life. It's simplicity.
Now, when your bun is ready, you want to pull the hair on the ground to make it fuller and voluminous looking. And then you want to divide your heavy side into 3 sections like I'm showing here, so your braids will look the same. Then grabbing the first section, you want to divide it into 2, twist both sections one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. You want to repeat this step over and over again until reaching the end. Make sure to pin the ends, preventing from unraveling. I don't like to waste your time, so I braided all that 3 sections.
Thinking that your future's secure. If you have a high hope, you don't have to grab it, cause it'll just come. Yeah, you're destined to have it. Complacent life with no steps taken to try and realize you're dreaming away.
And then grabbing our braids, we want to bring it backwards, pin it in place so it stays beautiful in place, and then wrap it around the bun depending on how long your hair is. Pin it in place, use some hairspray if you need, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this messy but different updo. And guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.